Some nights when you're tired of face tooling and too much of skincare, but yet want an anti-aging solution, House of Beauty India's lazy girl hack, the overnight anti-wrinkle patches, comes to the rescue. In a full-blown pack with our hyaluronic serum or in a refill pack, it's going to be your best friend. I promise you that. In the box, you get 5 big blue patches and 5 pink patches. The larger patches are for you to cut for your jawline chisel, and the smaller patches are for small crow's feet or 11 line lifting. These can also be used for nasolabial lifting. Follow along. All you need is a scissor. Keep your scissors handy, guys. These patches are not reusable, but you really end up using very small pieces, so this box lasts a long way. And the refill pack is very affordably priced. These are made of special medical grade breathable fabric which move with your facial muscles, do not clog pores, and are safe to use for the entire night. Do use the House of Beauty India Insta filter to see your facial muscle structure. Remember your problem area and then use these patches on it. Let's assume that your problem area is your 11 lines and you need lifting of this while reduction of these lines. These patches can reduce these lines up to 60% in one night. I'm going to take a small cutting of this patch like this, further cut it into a slit like this. Now, because this is fabric on paper, you can twist and tear like this and nothing will happen to the patch. Peel off the first half, anchor it without lifting or twisting your skin. Peel the second half of the paper, place it in the middle of your third eye or your 11 lines and the next slit on the other line. Wear this and go to bed. Wake up to 60% reduced lines. They're very comfortable, may look a little funny, but are very, very effective. Let's assume you want to work on your crow's feet lines. Now, I'm going to cut 3 slits for the delicate crow's feet region and eye lifting like this. Once you've cut this, created a fan, I want you to break or tear the paper, peel off the larger side, anchor it onto your skin like this and then start to peel off the slits and paste. Anchor it and start peeling and sticking off each slit like this. Very gently, we're not pulling or tugging our skin at any point. As you can see, my crow's feet region is entirely covered and these patches are pretty comfortable to sleep in. As you can see, I've only used half of the patch and I'll use another 1/4 of it. I still have another one left for tomorrow night. You could use this every night for faster results or twice or thrice a week depending on how deep your lines are. Now I'm going to use the blue patch which I've cut into 2 halves for nasolabial and cheek lifting. Who doesn't want to wake up to a tighter lifted face, right? Cut 3 slits or 2 slits depending on how many muscles you want to lift. Tear the paper. Peel off the primary anchor. Place it right where your cheek muscle starts. Tape it and start to peel off each slide of the paper as though you're peeling off a muscle and lifting it onto your face. As you can see, I've taped it off and lifted my nasolabial fold gently. You don't need to do everything in one night. You can work on smaller parts of your face or your muscles depending on what you need. How to remove these patches is a question I get asked as well. Well, all you have to do is just roll them off to peel them from your face the morning after. What skincare should you use when you're using these patches? Use minimal skincare, toners and serums. No face oils because then these patches will not stick. In case you do feel that the morning after your skin is a little dry because you did not use your skincare the night before, just use a little bit of HOB face oil and do your face lifting or face yoga exercises. Peeling this one off showing you that my 11 lines would also be reduced because of the excess oxygenation. All of the boxes also have a detailed illustration card where you can see how to tape your face correctly. Happy pampering!